I like this Audi. You guys know me, I like my R8s, especially this generation R8.
Oh, you like this one better than the facelift?
It's a little bit cleaner, but that's just me. But yo, check out this interior, guys. Look how bright red this is. Like most red interiors are kind of dark, right? They're a little bit like bloody looking, and not a gross way, but you know what I'm talking about. But this is like red. This is like tomato red, more like a lipstick red. It's really cool. I like it. It's nice. It's different. I haven't seen it before. So the reason why this is here today is because we're gonna be doing a full front end. It's like we finish each other's sandwiches. Damn it. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. The paint's in really good condition, so we're gonna try to keep it that way.
Sir, 5, 3.
Quick little R8 Clearbra project is now complete. Full front end is protected. The full hood, fenders, front bumper, and the mirrors. Definitely don't want to get those damaged since it is carbon fiber. This is one of the best things you can do for a brand new car if you want to keep it looking new for as long as possible. And since this is clear guard, we have to do, of course, a hydrophobic water beading test. Never gets old.
Wow.
Wow.
Just slides right off. Perfect little water droplets. So just a little bit of driving, it's gonna just slide off easily. New Supra's in with us today. What are you doing?
Sean, is there anything in the wash bay or anything in the back?
One thing I really like about getting JDM cars that normally owners get squash as their air freshener, so I get to smell that for free. It's like the official Japanese air freshener.
Alright, question, Haywood.
What?
Aliens came here and just wanted to take you back to their home world, and you could have a safe existence there. Would you do it?
It depends on how they look.
If they look ugly and hideous?
Would love to get more Supras in. Really like these cars. Here's one we did in Cerelux 20 on the sides and the back. PhotoSync 70 on the front windshield. So it's a nice little way to keep the interior nice and cool. Especially since it's so small, I'm sure it gets really stuffy inside quickly if you don't have good tint. So this should definitely help a lot. Starting on a new Ford Raptor project, we're gonna be wrapping the entire truck in this nice matte gray finish. Clean matte gray. It's really nice. It's gonna be cool. The whole truck is gonna be transformed from black to gray. We're also putting on wheels on this one. So it's gonna have an entirely different look once we are done with it. That looks really cool. I like how the graphics look underneath the vinyl. Some of the Raptors you pay premium. You can actually get the decals like on the bed and on the hood. Client didn't want to remove those because these are expensive. They're like $800 and they look really good. These are actually really nice, high quality vinyl. So instead of just removing them, because that'd be a waste, we're actually just wrapping over it. And as you can see, it looks kind of embossed now. You can still feel it, and you can obviously see the word Raptor very clearly. We have everything taken off on this one. For this project, the client wants to remove as much as possible, which we can definitely do. It does take a lot more time, but it's worth it if you just wanted to make it look as much like paint and as little amount of seams as possible. The freaking windows, like, can you guys see? The glass is gone. Even this little bottom piece here is taken off. So I'm excited to see what this looks like once we're done.
This is so nice and smooth. It's like house.
It's like what?
I only say it one time.
Can I touch it?
Don't touch it.
I wanna poke it.
Don't touch it.
Have you heard of Team Schumer?
Have you heard of Team Schumer?
But yo, if you want the best tires, you know where you go? Ling Long Tire! Ling Long Tire!
This thing has been beating me up today, bro. But I'm still champion. It thought it won some battles, but I'm winning the war. I'm so tired.
So this Raptor is coming along. Wrap is still being worked on, and we are in the process of also leveling this thing and putting on the new wheels, as you can see. So as you guys know, usually the grille on the Ford Raptor comes in the gray color. We got this painted satin black. It looks really good. This is how it should come from factory, honestly.
That's not even a wrap, bro. Don't worry, I can do what Sean does. Waves. 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 What is it I'm doing? I'm fingering it.
Fingering your glass. Do you want to use heat?
My hot breath isn't working as well as your heat gun.
Sick. Nice. Ted doing this piece makes me realize, you know, I don't think we need you anymore.
Oh yeah, dude.
Take my job.
Gone, Sean. God.
What are you guys doing?
We're wrapping your bumper for you.
Oh,
I know, we know you know you don't like how it mismatches.
Bro, look at it.
Sick.
I tried that, it doesn't work. Back of the shop, looking at stuff we take apart.
Okay guys, this is probably the coolest Raptor project that we have done. This is the definition of clean. So amazed with how well this turned out. When we first started this project, I figured it looked pretty good, right? But I definitely wasn't prepared for how good it was gonna turn out. So as you can see, the whole entire truck has been wrapped matte gray. We actually did this on a Tesla Model 3 in the past. Figured it was gonna look kind of similar to that, where it was gonna be kind of subtle and classy. But now that it's on the Raptor, it looks really aggressive in my opinion. We spent an immense amount of time wrapping this, as you can see. You saw how much we took off. Door handles, mirrors, trim pieces, fender flares, even the grille, headlights, tail lights, everything we could take off, we took off. We wanted to minimize the amount of seams as much as possible, and I'm really proud to say that we were able to do that. So for this Raptor, since the entire vehicle was gonna be wrapped in gray, regular trim pieces from factory come gray. So that was gonna be a problem because we're wrapping the car gray, and we didn't want to have OEM gray trim pieces because then there'd be way too much gray and they wouldn't match. We painted the grille, which normally comes in a dark gray. We now painted it satin black. Painted this rear lift gate piece in satin black as well. So it has a nice little contrast, but it still keeps that aggressive, menacing vibe to it. And of course with the wheels, we went with ADV1s, ADV6 truck spec wheels. These are actually limited edition, no longer being made. So they're really rare, but they have that really nice 6-spoke, rugged look to it. It's in satin black and gloss black. And look at that concavity, it's pretty deep. We're really happy with how this project came out. We wanted something clean, aggressive at the same time, and I really feel like we achieved that without making it look too over the top. It's crazy how just a vinyl wrap, wheels and tires, and some painted trim pieces can change the entire look of a Raptor. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you haven't yet, hit that little notification bell. That way you can always get our latest videos exactly when they come out. We have another really cool project coming up. If you guys want to see more vinyl wraps, I'll give you guys a little hint. It's right there. And no, it's not the same Raptor because that one is over here. Hit the notification bell to see the next video when it comes out. I will see you next time.
We did a vinyl wrap. This is Avery Dennison wrap. It's a matte finish. We're gonna be ceramic coating it.
How damn I'm able to hear you? It's too loud out here, guys. You guys speak louder. Almost like you're screaming.
I don't know if I can do this voice much louder.